Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to stop public post notifications on Facebook using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been getting too many alerts from public posts, this simple setting can help you take back control. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook on your browser and log into your account as usual. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will drop down. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into more options. Now, select Settings to access your account preferences. Once you're inside the Settings page, look for the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more detailed controls related to who can follow you and how your public activity is managed. Now scroll down a bit until you find Public Post Notifications. This is the setting that controls who gets notified about your public posts. Click on it and you'll see a few options. To stop these notifications completely, choose Only Me. This ensures that no one else will receive alerts about your public posts. After selecting Only Me, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off public post notifications on Facebook. This small adjustment can make a big difference in reducing unwanted attention and keeping your activity more private.